Ethiopian civilization, this region boasts a rich tapestry of cultural heritage that dates back thousands of years. It is often said that where you find Tigray, you find the roots of one of the oldest civilizations in the world. The geography of Tigray is as varied as its history. The northern highlands, characterized by rugged mountains, fertile valleys, and ancient rock formations, have shaped not only the lives of those who inhabit them, but also the very history of Ethiopia. The region is home to diverse ethnic groups, each contributing to a mosaic of languages, traditions, and beliefs. The significance of Tigray extends beyond its natural beauty. The ancient kingdoms that flourished here were instrumental in the development of trade routes that connected Africa to the Middle East and beyond. This area served as a crossroads for various cultures, allowing for the exchange of goods, ideas, and religions. The narrative of Tigray is intertwined with the rise of ancient empires, such as the Kingdom of DMT and the Aksumite Empire. These civilizations laid the groundwork for political structures, economic prosperity, and cultural advancements that would influence generations. Tigray's historical significance is further emphasized by its religious heritage. The region is home to some of the oldest Christian sites in the world, reflecting the deep spiritual roots that have shaped the Ethiopian identity. Visiting Tigray today means walking through the pages of history. The ancient ruins, rock-hewn churches, and vibrant communities tell stories of resilience and innovation. The spirit of Tigray lives on in its people, who continue to honor their ancestors while adapting to the modern world. Through this exploration of Tigray's past, we uncover lessons of strength, unity, and the enduring power of culture. Yeha, the dawn of civilization. Our exploration of Tigray begins in Yeha, a remarkable site that symbolizes the dawn of civilization in the region. As one of the oldest urban settlements in Ethiopia, Yeha offers a glimpse into the lives of the people who inhabited the Kingdom of DMT over 2,800 years ago. This ancient kingdom was a precursor to the more expansive Aksumite Empire, setting the stage for the cultural and political developments that would follow. At the heart of Yeha stands the Temple of the Moon, an architectural marvel built from enormous stone blocks. Dating back to the 8th century BCE, this temple is not only a testament to the engineering prowess of the time, but also a reflection of the spiritual beliefs that permeated the society. The temple was dedicated to the moon god, highlighting the significance of celestial bodies and the religious practices of the DMT civilization. Yeha was more than just a religious center. It served as a crucial hub of trade and cultural exchange. The Kingdom of DMT was strategically positioned on trade routes that connected Africa with South Arabia, facilitating the exchange of valuable commodities such as incense, ivory, and gold. Archaeological findings, including inscriptions in the Sabaean script, reveal the complexity of DMT's society and its interactions with neighboring cultures. The legacy of Yeha is profound. It is a testament to the ingenuity and creativity of early Ethiopian civilization. The ruins of Yeha continue to attract scholars and tourists alike, eager to uncover the secrets of this ancient kingdom. As we delve into the history of Yeha, We are reminded of the foundations laid by our ancestors, whose contributions resonate through the ages. The story of Yeha is not just a chapter in history. It is a reminder of the enduring spirit of human civilization. Aksum, the empire of legends. From the humble beginnings of Yeha, we journey to the grandeur of Aksum, the capital of one of the most powerful empires of the ancient world. The Aksumite Empire, flourishing from the 1st to the 9th centuries AD, was a remarkable society known for its wealth, culture, and religious significance. These obelisks, some standing over 24 meters tall, showcase the advanced engineering skills of the Aksumites. Each obelisk is intricately carved, symbolizing the grandeur of an empire that once ruled vast territories. In the 4th century AD, King Azena made a transformative decision that would forever alter the course of Ethiopian history. He embraced Christianity, declaring it the state religion and making Aksum one of the first Christian kingdoms in the world. This pivotal moment not only solidified the cultural identity of the Aksumite Empire, but also established Ethiopia as a significant player in the early Christian world. The Church of St. Mary of Zion, built in Aksum, is believed to house the Ark of the Covenant, adding to the city's religious significance. The stories of Aksum are woven into the fabric of Ethiopian identity. The city remains a pilgrimage site for many, attracting visitors eager to explore its rich history and spiritual significance. The enduring faith of the Ethiopian people, rooted in the traditions established during the Aksumite era, continues to shape the country's cultural landscape. Aksum is not just a historical site. It is a living testament to the power of belief, resilience, and cultural heritage. Coinage system, which facilitated trade and commerce. The Aksumites engaged in extensive trade networks that connected them with India, Rome, and beyond. This exchange of goods and ideas fostered cultural diversity and enriched the lives of its inhabitants. Some are inspiring. The city is famed for its towering obelisks, which serve as monumental markers of the royal tombs. Debre Damo Monastery, a sacred ascent nestled high in the mountains of Tigray. Debre Damo Monastery is a sacred site that embodies the spiritual legacy of Ethiopia. Founded in the 6th century by Abba Aregawi, this monastery is one of the oldest in the country and holds profound religious significance. Its remote location, perched on a secluded plateau, adds to its mystique and allure. To reach Debre Damo, pilgrims and visitors must undertake a unique ascent. The journey involves climbing a sheer rock face using a traditional rope, a physical challenge that symbolizes the spiritual dedication of those who seek the divine. This ascent is not just a test of endurance. It serves as a metaphor for the struggle and commitment required in the pursuit of faith. Once at the monastery, visitors are greeted by a serene atmosphere steeped in history. Debre Damo is home to a community of monks who have preserved some of Ethiopia's most important religious manuscripts. These manuscripts, adorned with intricate art and scripture, are a testament to the rich literary and artistic traditions of the Ethiopian Orthodox Church. The monastery serves as a center of learning, where ancient texts are studied and revered. Debre Damo is also renowned for its unique architectural features. The church, built without the use of nails, showcases traditional Ethiopian craftsmanship. The walls are adorned with beautiful frescoes that depict biblical stories and saints, providing a visual narrative of faith that spans centuries. Throughout its history, Debre Damo has been a sanctuary for those seeking spiritual solace. The monastery has withstood the test of time, remaining a bastion of Ethiopia's Christian heritage. The devotion of the monks and the countless pilgrims who have visited over the centuries is a testament to the enduring power of faith. Gibraltar, the rock-hewn marvels. In the breathtaking landscape of the Gibraltar Mountains, we discover one of Ethiopia's most extraordinary treasures, the rock-hewn churches, carved into the cliffs and mountainsides. These architectural wonders are a testament to the faith and ingenuity of their builders. Most remarkable examples of Ethiopian religious architecture. Among the most famous of these churches is Abune Emetaga, a stunning structure perched high on a cliff face. Reaching this church requires a physically demanding ascent, which adds to its allure and significance. The journey to Abune Emetaga is as much a spiritual pilgrimage as it is a physical challenge, inviting visitors to reflect on the dedication of those who built these sacred spaces. Inside the rock-hewn churches, visitors are greeted by a world of vibrant frescoes and intricate carvings. The walls are adorned with stunning artworks that tell the stories of the Bible. The churches of Gibraltar are not just places of worship. They are living museums that preserve the spiritual and cultural heritage of Ethiopia. They serve as a testament to the resilience of faith in the face of adversity. The dedication of the monks who maintain these churches reflects a deep commitment to preserving the traditions that have shaped Ethiopian Christianity. As we explore the rock-hewn marvels of Gibraltar, we are reminded of the profound connection between faith and artistry. These churches stand as symbols of devotion, creativity, and the enduring spirit of a people who have carved their beliefs into the very mountains of their homeland. The Gibraltar churches are a celebration of Ethiopia's rich heritage, inviting us to appreciate the beauty of spirituality expressed through art and architecture. Lake Hashanj, the mystical waters. Amidst the rugged beauty of Tigray lies Lake Hashanj, a site steeped in legend and history. This tranquil lake has been a vital resource for the surrounding communities for centuries, providing water for agriculture and daily life. Its serene waters have witnessed the ebb and flow of human activity, from ancient battles to the rhythms of daily life. A body of water. It is a lifeline for the people who live in its vicinity. The lake supports diverse ecosystems and is home to various species of birds and fish. Its ecological importance cannot be overstated, as it plays a crucial role in sustaining the local environment and economy. Local folklore surrounds Lake Hashanj, adding to its mystique. Stories of mystical powers and healing properties associated with the lake are passed down through generations. The lake is often seen as a place of reflection and rejuvenation, where individuals come to connect with nature and seek solace. Geologically, Lake Hashenj holds significant insights into the climatic history of the region. Sediment layers found in the lake's bed provide clues about past environmental conditions, offering valuable information for researchers studying climate change and its impact on human life. As we explore Lake Hashenj, we are reminded of the intricate relationship between the environment and human. Emperor Johannes IV, defender of Ethiopia. In the annals of Ethiopian history, one name stands out as a symbol of courage and leadership. Emperor Johannes IV, rising to prominence in the 19th century, Johannes became a pivotal figure in Ethiopia's struggle for sovereignty and unity. His reign was marked by challenges, including foreign invasions and internal strife, but his unwavering determination solidified his legacy as a defender of the nation. Johannes IV ascended to the throne in 1871, inheriting a fragmented empire plagued by political instability. His leadership style was characterized by a blend of military prowess and diplomatic acumen. He sought to unify the various regions of Ethiopia, fostering a sense of national identity that transcended ethnic and cultural divisions. One of the defining moments of Johannes IV's reign was his defense against foreign invasions. The encroachment of colonial powers in Africa posed a significant threat, and Johannes rallied his forces to protect Ethiopia's sovereignty. His military campaigns, particularly the battles against the British and Egyptian forces, showcased his strategic brilliance and commitment to preserving Ethiopian independence. The emperor's palace in Mekelle stands as a testament to his leadership and vision. It is a symbol of a time when Ethiopia stood strong against the tides of colonialism. Johannes IV's dedication to his people and his country serves as an enduring inspiration, reminding us of the importance of unity and resilience in the face of adversity. Tragically, Johannes IV's life was cut short when he fell in battle at Metemmah in 1889. His death marked a significant turning point in Ethiopian history, but his legacy lived on. He is remembered as a national hero, a figure whose sacrifice and determination continue to inspire generations. The story of Emperor Johannes IV is a powerful reminder of the enduring spirit of Ethiopia and its